I've been in New Orleans.
What is poppin', people, and welcome back to another tattoo tips video. Before we start this video, guys, if you are new around here, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on bell notifications also to get notified every time I upload a new video just like this one. Anyway, guys, today we are talking about Instagram and Instagram for artists and the way that Instagram is changing and how you guys can build your Instagram following the new changes that have been put in place. So guys, I think we all know social media is a massive tool these days in the world. There's not many things that don't use social media anymore. You've got personal social media, you've got social media for marketing. Like, even when it comes to logging into things now, you can use your social media to log into these things. But we're not going to speak about social media in general. We're just going to specifically talk about Instagram in this video, because Instagram is the one that artists use the most to have an online presence and an online portfolio of their work. So firstly, why do we need social media? It is literally just that it is such a powerful tool to be able to showcase your work. I mean, as artists, we are wanting to show off our work that we do. Art is meant to be seen. It's the one thing in the world where you can present a piece of art and you are literally showing it just to be seen. There's no humbleness about it. You know, you can draw or you can do something artistic in the background and people don't need to see it, but art is meant to be shown, so show it off, guys. And you know, Instagram gave us that platform for our work to be showcased to the masses. If you were lucky and you got on Instagram and you got on it at the right time, when the algorithm was new and it was fresh, and you know, you propelled on that platform. You know, it was all great. It gave you that platform to be seen, and being seen brings in potential customers. It's as simple as that. That brings in a potential untold amount of clients because people have seen your work, and it's not like it was 30-40 years ago when everything was by word of mouth. It's a lot easier to be seen these days. Now, social media is everly evolving, and what Instagram used to do, they do not do now. Their algorithm is constantly changing. What you used to be able to do on Instagram was get organic growth by liking pictures and commenting on pictures and just being generally on the platform. If you was on the platform, you was gonna grow. However, guys, over the years, Instagram's changed and it's become a lot harder to grow on that platform. Now, you might not want to grow on Instagram and just want to use Instagram as a social presence, a online portfolio that you can send people just to view your work, and that is completely fine. But if you are one of those guys that wants to grow, then stick around because that information is coming right now. Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app. The big bosses came out, the big cheeses came out, and they said that it is no longer a photo sharing app and it is moving into video. Now, there is still gonna be photos on Instagram, and if you want to build from photos, it's not gonna be as much as video. However, the current algorithm, or what I know the current algorithm as, because I don't keep up with it, is carousels and saves. So the way the algorithm works at the minute that I know of is that the longer someone hovers over your image and presses the save button, then Instagram feels like, this picture must be good, let's push it out to more people. Now, that's the way the current algorithm works. Like I said, as far as I'm aware, I could be completely wrong, but I know that that was part of the algorithm at one bit. Anyway, like I said, it is going to be a video platform also. They have seen what TikTok's doing. They have seen the amount of people that are blowing up on TikTok, the amount of people that are using video, and Instagram want some of that. So guys, if you want any sort of growth, you are going to want to start doing reels. Now, a lot of artists tend to do a stencil and then finished product, but scrap that. Do not do that. That is not an engaging reel at all. Now, I am no expert on Reels. I am just not an expert on Reels, so I don't feel entirely qualified to be telling you this information. But from a thing of what I want to see, I want to be engaged. I want an engaging Reel. I did a DC Bane tattoo and I did a Reel, and what I did is I educated people on the tattoo that I'm doing. Now, I put facts in about Bane when he was first introduced, you know, how he's the only guy to beat Batman and all this crap, right? I put all that in my Reel just to keep people engaged. Keeping people engaged on your Reel is what's going to make you grow, because then Instagram are going to push that Reel out. Now, the whole thing of Reels is short clips, all right? It needs to keep people's attention. So I would also keep those clips between 15 and 30 seconds. So just like that, guys, I educated my audience and I got quite a decent reach on it, to be honest. If I think that my pictures might get a reach of 150 people on a 2,000 and odd Instagram page, you know, a Reel is getting 2, 3, 4, 5,000 on that reach. And that is currently now, you know, and that's before Instagram have even like fully launched on Reels and becoming a real platform and a video platform. So just off that, you can see the engagement that you're getting. So yeah, photos are no longer going to be the go-to thing for artists. You need to be getting into Reels, guys, if you want to build your Instagram. Anyway, guys, that is all for today. I hope you have all learned something. I don't pretend to be an expert on Instagram and social media or anything like that. These are just a few things that I know that I wanted to pass on to you guys, because I know that it will help in the long run. If you are wanting to build a social media presence on Instagram, then again, you need to play that game, and that game is moving towards video. Your photos are not going to be good enough. But as always, guys, I shall see you all in the next one. Peace.